Congratulations! Ayan. So, ang wish namin sa iyo ay masabaan pa ninyo yung pasensya sa isa't isa. Magmahalan kayo. Saka,
Masabaan ni John Ray yung pasensya niya sa'yo. Yun.
tapos, kapag may problema kayo, syempre, unahin yung, kung kaya nyo isettle ng kayong dalawa, settle nyo ng dalawa, lagi nyo pipiliin yung isa't isa. Ano man
Dapat
yung
isettle
mangyari.
nila lagi sila. Hindi yung may include ng another. Or mas okay na sila talaga magsisettle ng mga.
Always prioritize each other. Tapos yung family. Tapos bilisan nyo magka-baby. Para meron na kaming laruan. Tapos dadali nyo dito at lagay nyo kami authorized person to fetch.
So,
Ika, baka sasabi ka pa. Okay, be happy.
Hi, Divine! Gulat ka, no? So, these greetings, especially from the province of Hougang, Nax, ganon. So, Divine, ako ay masaya for you because finally, magsasettle down ka na and you found the love of your life. Dasal ko lang ay naway maging successful at saka smooth ang inyong married life. Congratulations!
Hi, V! Congratulations that you're finally getting married. I'm wishing you all the best. Enjoy your marriage life and God bless. Bye-bye!
Congratulations, Vine and John Ray. I am excited for both of you for a new chapter of your lives. And take care always. God bless.